Hello everyone.
Today we came across a natural product that is Yokram Ayurveda. We got a red onion hair shampoo and red onion hair oil.
And a Yokam hair serum.
Now firstly we are applying hair onion oil which repair damaged hair, anti-hair loss, increase shine and detangles hair follicles.
Now I am applying red onion hair shampoo. It is repair damaged hair.
Also nourishes hair and scalp, detangles hair follicles, anti-hair loss. Also, these all products are made with natural activities like red onion, amla, green tea and brahmi, which all is totally a natural friendly ingredients.
After applying shampoo, I am applying the Yokam hair serum.
And the leftover product I am applying the length of my hair. Ta-da! Here is the final look of you guys. We are totally loving it. The product link is given below. Bye!